Adalo Mobile App Development Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into an in-depth review of Adalo, a no-code mobile app development platform that promises to make app creation accessible to anyone, regardless of technical expertise. Be sure to check the description for links to the platform and related resources. So what makes Adalo stand out? First, let's talk about the features. Adalo allows you to build fully functional mobile apps using a drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the need for any coding. You can create native iOS and Android apps, complete with custom databases, user authentication, and in-app payments. The platform supports complex logic, such as actions triggered by button clicks, making it versatile for building apps from simple projects to more sophisticated ones. One of the standout features is the ability to create custom workflows, which gives you control over app functionality without writing a single line of code. Adalo also integrates with third-party services, such as Zapier, Airtable, and Stripe, giving you even more flexibility to extend your app's capabilities. It's also cloud-based, meaning there's no need for hosting or worrying about infrastructure. Now, who is Adalo made for? If you're a startup founder, entrepreneur, or someone who needs to quickly prototype an app without spending thousands on developers, Adalo is a game changer. It's also perfect for non-technical users who want to bring their app ideas to life without learning to code. Adalo offers a free plan to start building, which is great for testing out your ideas. However, if you need advanced features or to publish to the App Store, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. In conclusion, Adalo is a powerful tool for anyone looking to build a mobile app without diving into code. It's intuitive, flexible, and perfect for a range of users, from beginners to entrepreneurs. If you want to give it a try, check the description for the link and start building your app today.